make an easy glass bowl Christmas centerpiece. The kids will love to help. My daughter was giving away this glass globe, and I thought this would be the perfect thing for an arrangement. Here's what you need. Let's have some fun. I cut one of these Christmas trees down to a smaller size so they'd be different height, which gave me a third little bonus tree, which was kind of fun. We're going to use sticky tack on the bottom of these trees so that they sit in the base and don't fall over. They're going to be kind of the back of our diorama. Next, we're going to put the snow, which is fiber fill. In my case, you could use the kind that comes packaged. That's going to go in the bottom of the glass bowl and nestle around the base of those trees. Next, we're going to put in the red truck, and it's going to go in front because it's the main focal point. I'm going to go ahead and nestle this small little bonus tree here at the base. Then we have these little deer. They're going to be watching in the background. And perhaps one of their other friends over on this side. Lastly, we're going to add a little set of twinkle lights, and I've made them in a circle so they'll go around the base of the jar. Oh wow, this is turning out so cute. You can use any glass bowl and small decorations that you have to make your own easy glass bowl Christmas centerpiece at home. For complete directions and other craft activities, come to welcometonanas.com. Join the fun and Merry Christmas!